Good morning, students. Before going to revise the exercise, we will see the important formulas which covered in this exercise. Okay, the first one, combine a pair of straight lines, combine equation of pair of straight line. So here the equation, combine equation of pair of straight line is given as the general form of pair of straight line can be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c, f, g, h are all constant, that is except x square, x, y and y square, remaining things are constants. In order to find this equation, first we have to find the value of a, b, c, f, g and h. Okay, then next one is pair of straight line passing through the origin. If a straight line is passing through the origin, in such a case the homogeneous equation becomes ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the second degree in x and y, represent a pair of straight line. Then the next one is about angle between pair of straight line passing through the origin. Okay, so here we are finding the angle between the pair of straight line passing through the origin. Tan theta equal to m modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So if you want to find the angle, you apply these formulas and find the angle between the straight. Okay, next one is, if theta is an angle between the pair of straight lines, ax square plus 2hy plus by square plus 2gh plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then theta equal to tan inverse modulus of 2 into root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. The second formula is, if the straight lines are parallel, then h square equal to ab. If the straight lines are perpendicular, a plus b equal to 0. These are the conditions for the straight lines are parallel and perpendicular. Then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square always 0 if the straight lines are perpendicular. So these are the conditions for straight lines perpendicular as well as parallel. So if it is parallel, h square equal to ab. If the straight lines are perpendicular, means a plus b equal to 0 and coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. So the condition for general second degree equations to the straight line is given like this. So already we see this. So now we are going to see the example 3.10. Find the combined equation of the given straight line whose separate equations are 2x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Here the combined equation of the given straight line is 2x plus y minus 1 into x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is given. Okay, now we are multiplying each and every term by the other term, that is 2x into x, we are getting 2x square. Then 2x into 2y, we are getting 4xy. Then 2x into 5, we are getting 10x. Okay, minus 10x. Likewise y into x, y into 2y, y into minus 5, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 2y, minus 1 into minus 5. So we are getting the equation like this: 2x square plus xy minus x plus 4x square plus 2y square minus 2y minus 10x minus 5y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, after simplifying it, we are getting 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square minus 11x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the way you have to find the combined equation of the straight line if the separate equations are given. Okay, so like this, the two separate equations are given, means if you have to multiply by each and every term, and after simplification you are getting the combined equation. Okay, now we are going to see the example 3.11. okay, show that the equation 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight line. Also find the angle between them. Okay, here they are asking the equation is a pair of straight line. We have to show that this equation is a pair of straight line, as well as we have to find the angle between them. Okay, so first compare the equation with the equation of straight line. That is general form of pair of straight line is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here we get a equal to 2 by taking the coefficient of x square. That is coefficient of x square equal to a, coefficient of y square equal to b, coefficient of xy equal to h 2h, and coefficient of x equal to 2g, coefficient of y equal to 2f, and c is constant. Okay, so this is the way I am finding the value of a equal to 2, b equal to 3, 2h equal to 5, therefore h equal to 5 by 2, 2g equal to 6, hg equal to 3 by 6 by 3, 6 by 2 we are getting 3, 2f equal to 7, so f equal to 7 by 2, and c equal to 4. So condition for the given equation to represent a pair of straight line is ABC. This is a condition for pair of straight line. In order to show that this is a pair of straight line, we have to apply this condition, that is ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Now we find the value of a, b, c, f, g, h. Okay, substitute these values in this equation. We are getting the value like this, that is a equal to 2, b equal to 3, and c equal to 4 means 2 into 3 into 4 we are getting 24. Likewise, after applying this, we are getting 24 plus 105 by 2 minus 49 by 2 minus 27 minus 25. So if you simplify these things, you are getting 0. Hence the given equation represent a pair of straight line, because it proves the conditions that ABC plus 2fh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Hence the given equation represent a pair of straight line. Okay, after that we are finding the theta, because in this question they are asking the angle between the lines also. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse modulus of 2 into root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Here h equal to h equal to 5 by 2, so h square become 25 by 4 minus a into b equal to 6 divided by a plus b equal to 5. So if you cancel it, all those things, you are getting theta equal to tan inverse 1 by 5. Okay, now we are going to see the example 3.12. The slope of one of the straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is twice that of the other. Show that 8h square equal to 9ab. Okay, the slope of one of the straight line is twice that of the other. Here there are two slopes are there, one is m1 and m2. Okay, let m1 and m2 be the slope of the pair of straight line. ax square plus 2hy plus by square is the straight line given here. Then m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b, where m1 into m2 equal to a by b. That is, we apply the slope formula, sum of the slope as well as product of the slope. So if is the sum of the slope equal to minus 2h by b, whereas product of the slope equal to a by b. Okay, so applying this minus 2h by b, m1 m2 equal to a by b, it is given that one slope is twice the other. So let m1 equal to 2 times of m1 m2 equal to 2 times of m1. Therefore in the place of m2 I am writing it as 2 times of m1. So likewise in product also we are writing m1 into 2m1 equal to a by b. So m1 plus 2m1 equal to 3m1 equal to minus 2h by b. Then m1 equal to minus 2h divided by 3 by b. Likewise m1 into m1 equal to 2m1 square, we are getting a by b. That is m1 into 2m1 equal to 2m1 square equal to a by b. Now m1, now I am substituting the m1 equal to minus 2h by 3b in 2 times of m1 square equal to ab. That is 2 into, instead of m1 square, I am writing 2h minus 2h by 3b whole square. After squaring it, if you multiply by 2, we are getting 8h square by b square. Then 8h square equal to 9ab. So it is proved that 8h square equal to 9ab. Okay, hence proved. Show that the equations represent two straight lines and find their separate equation. So already we see that the general form of straight line is ax square plus 2hy plus by square plus 2gs plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, according to this general form, I am finding the value of a square by taking the coefficient of x square and finding the value of b by taking the coefficient of y square, and coefficient of xy becomes 2h, that is 7 by 2. Likewise, coefficient of x is 2g, therefore g equal to 5 by 2, and coefficient of 2f equal to, coefficient of y equal to 2f. Here it is 5, that is 2f equal to 5 means f equal to 5 by 2 and c equal to 2. Okay, now apply this matrix form AHG HBF GFC. So you write the diagonals first. Diagonal is ABC. Okay, HG, HF and GF. So you have to write like this: HG, okay, HF and GF. So HH is diagonal in minor, HH is diagonal for the second order minor, likewise in FF. Okay, so this is the form you write the values. So if you apply all those things in the matrix form, so we are finding the value, this is equal to 0. So instead of a, write that 2. Okay, so if you expand the first row, we are getting 2 into 6 minus 5 by 2 into 5 by 2, 25 by 4. So likewise, if, we are getting 0. Hence the given equation is represent a pair of straight line. This is a condition for pair of straight line. Now consider 2x square plus 7xy plus 3y square. That is the first part of the equation. And factorize it, we are getting x plus 3y and 2x plus y. After that factorization, add L to the first factor x plus 3y plus L. Likewise, in the second factor 2x plus y, add m. After that, you compare the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 5. Okay, 5x means 5. In this side, coefficient of x comes, if you multiply by constant, that is x into constant, we are getting here x into m. So m we are getting. Likewise, 2x into L, we are getting L. So 2L. So 2L plus m equal to 5. Likewise, comparing the coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 5. In this side, if you multiply by the coefficient constant and y, that is 3y into m, we are getting 3m, and L, that is in this term L into y, we are getting L, that is L plus 3m equal to 5. So solving these two equations, we are getting the value of m equal to 1 and L equal to 1. Substitute these values here, that is x plus 3y, the value of L equal to 2, that is plus 2 equal to 0, and likewise 2x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the way you have to find the value of a separate equation. This is the important sums you have to do, that is asked in 5 marks. Okay. Exercise 3.14. Show that the pair of straight line represent a pair of straight line, pair of parallel straight line, and find their separate equation. Already I said, if it is parallel, h square minus ab equal to 0. Therefore, by using the equation 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square plus 18x minus 27y plus 8 equal to 0, find the value of a equal to 4, that is x. The coefficient of x square is 4 and the coefficient of y square equal to 9, that is b equal to 9, and coefficient of h equal to 2 minus 6, that is here 12xy means 12 divided by 2, 2h equal to 12, h equal to minus 6. Okay, so apply the condition, h square minus ab equal to 36 minus 9 4s are 36, we are getting 0. Hence the equation represent a pair of straight line. They are asking on one more things, that is find the separate equation. Separate equation means we are taking the first part, that is 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square, that only taken, and find the factorization. We are finding 2x minus 3y whole square. Okay, after writing the question as it is, add L and M to this equation. But here they are finding the z by putting 2x minus 3y equal to z and finding the z value. So hence the separate equations are 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. Example 3.15, find the angle between the straight line. So the given equation is x square plus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to 1, h equal to 2, because the coefficient of xy is 4, therefore 2h equal to 4 means h equal to 2. So that if the angle theta is the angle between the given straight line, then theta equal to tan inverse modulus of 2 into h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Okay, 2 into h square means here 4, that is 2 square 4 minus 1, a equal to 1 into 1, a 1, ab equal to 1. After cancelling it, we are getting the values. Tan inverse root 3. Root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, 180 by 3. We are getting 60 degree. Therefore, theta equal to 60 degree. Then next sum. I think this is the last example sums. So example 3.16. For what values of k does 2x square plus 5xy plus 2y square plus 15x plus 18y plus k represent a straight line? Here the value of a equal to 2, b equal to 2 and h equal to 5 by 2, g equal to 15 by 2, f equal to 9 and c equal to k. Already you know the general form. Apply the general form equation and prove that the given straight line pair of straight line by applying the condition ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus AH square equal to 0. That is A into B into C. 2 into 2 into K. We are getting 4K. Then 2 into F into GH. We are getting 675 by 2. AF square become 162. And BG square equal to 225 by 2. And CH square becomes 25 by 4K equal to 0. So then we are getting 16K plus 1350 minus 648 minus 450 minus 25K equal to 0. So 9K equal to 252, whereas K equal to 28 after simplifying it. So this is the way you have to find the value of K if the pair of straight line represent a straight line. Okay. So apply the condition ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0 and find the value of K. So then the formula for angle between this straight line is tan inverse modulus of 2 into root of h square minus AB divided by A plus B. Then next one is separate equation. So if the given equations represent a pair of straight line means we have to prove that h square minus AB equal to 0. Then next one is we show that the equation represents a two straight lines and find their separate equation. So apply the matrix form and find the value. Okay. So this is the way you have to find the value of the angle between the straight line by applying the formula. Students, do all the sums in your assignment note and submit it at correct times in order to score full marks in your October monthly test, as well as prepare well. It helps you to score marks in public also. All the best, students. Thank you.